My dear students, today we are discussing about milieu interior. So first topic is a cell, that topic is completed. Next topic is a milieu interior. So what is the milieu interior? The milieu interior, the word is derived from a Greek word. What is the milieu interior? Milieu and interior, two words are there. Milieu means environment. Interior means internal. Milieu means environment, interior means internal. So the concept of the milieu interior is the internal environment of the organism. Study about internally or internal environment of an organism is known as milieu interior. Simple word means study about the inside of the organism is known as a milieu interior. The milieu interior is a example is a blood. What is the internal blood? So the blood is present in the each and every cell inside of the body only, not at the outside of the body. So that is example is the blood. The next, the milieu interior. The milieu interior, the milieu interior is discovered by the French physiologist. He is known as a Bernard. It identify the milieu interior, identify the study about the internally of organisms. So the Bernard is a father of physiology. Who is the father of physiology? Bernard is a father of physiology. So the Bernard is identify the observation of internal environment. So internal environment means it survived the healthy condition. So the example, temperature of the body. The next one, chemical composition of the body. And the next one, which type of fluids presented in the body. So each and everything identified by the Bernard. So which theory? Milieu interior theory. So this is about milieu interior. The milieu interior word derived from a Greek word. Milieu means environment, interior means internal. So what is the milieu interior? Study about internal environment of the each and every organism. Example is the blood. So the blood is present in the each and every cell, but inside of the cell only. So the milieu interior is identified by the Bernard. He is a father of pathology. He is a father of physiology. The next one, identify the which type of environment, either temperature, chemicals, chemical composition, fluids, and pH, and etc. So this is about milieu interior. The next one topic is hemostasis or homeostasis. Homeostasis. So what is the homeostasis? So homeostasis word is derived from a. This one is word is also derived from a Greek word. In here, homeo means sameness or same. Stasis means standing or still, standing still. So this word means the homeostatic condition of the dynamic equilibrium. It maintain the equilibrium or balance. In the body internally, inside of the body or inside of organism. So what is a homeostasis? Homeostasis word is derived from a Greek word. Homeos means same and stasis means standing still. So it maintains the equilibrium balance in the inside of the organism. Study about the inside of the organism is known as milieu interior, and maintain the equal balance in the internal organism. So this one is what is the internal organism? For example, any fluids, and the next one blood, like a blood, and the next one electrolytes, and etc. Maintain the each and every cell by same or equilibrium, maintain the same or equilibrium. So for example, in a living organism, a lot of cells are present in the living organism, not only one, a number of cells are presented in the living organism, but each and every cell maintain the same and maintain the equilibrium in the inside of the organism. For example, this is the one of the tissue. The tissue is made up of a lot of cells. So in this lot of cells, each and every cell maintain the same balance, same water, same fluids like a water, blood, electrolytes. So each individual cells maintain the same balance is known as a homeostasis. So the homeostasis, for example, the blood is not only present in the one particular cell. The blood is not only present in the particular cell. So each and every cell, it containing the blood. So the blood containing the glucose level, blood glucose level, that's the normal range is 70 to 110 mg for 100 ml. So in our body, minimum 5 to 6 liters of blood are present in the body. So each and every 100 ml compulsory it maintain the 70 to 110 mg for 100 ml of blood glucose level is present in the total 5 to 6 liters of blood. So it maintain the same status, it maintain the equilibrium, it maintain the same balance of the body fluids in internally is known as a homeostasis. So the next one word is isotonic solutions. So isotonic solutions. So first we discuss about the solutions. What is the solution? Solution is equal to solute plus solvent. For example, sugar plus water is equal to solution. Here the water is a solvent, sugar is a solute. So what is the solution? Solute plus solvent is known as a solution. So the solvent molecule always in the liquid substances. The solute either solid substances, either liquid substances, any other substances. Though in the solution, the solvent amount is the higher amount, the solute amount is a lower amount. What is the solute? The solute is easily soluble of the solvent molecule, soluble the solute molecules in the solvent. So this is about solution. What is the solution? Solute plus solvent is known as solution. Solute example is the sugar, solvent example is the water. So these are the total solution, the sugar solution. The sugar solution containing the less amount of the sugar and more amount of the water. So always the solvent molecule is a higher amount, solute molecule is a lower amount. So what is the isotonic? What is the isotonic? The isotonic means, what is the isotonic means? The isotonic solutions is the maintain the equilibrium in the each and every cell. It maintain the equilibrium condition is known as equilibrium conditions in internally by the isotonicity is known as isotonic solution. The isotonic solutions is a maintain the solution. It maintain the solution levels in the body. Is known as isotonic. So what is the isotonic example? It is a normal saline solution is the example for the isotonicity. Example is the what is the isotonic solution? NaCl, normal saline solution. How much of percentage? 9% of 0.9% weight by volume of 0.9% of 9% weight by volume of NaCl is known as isotonic solution. So the isotonic solutions is maintain the equal concentration, same concentration in the body. It maintain the homeostasis and milieu interior also. So the isotonic solution, in case of increases, what happened in the body? In case of decreases, what happened in the body? So what happened in the body? For example, in case of increases the isotonicity, increasing the isotonicity, it leads to the hypertonic solutions. In case of decreasing the isotonicity is known as the hypotonic solutions. So the hypotonic solutions and hypertonic solutions, the hypotonic solutions means isotonic solutions means increasing the isotonicity in the body. So for example, increases the normal level of isotonic solution 0.9 percentage of NaCl concentration increases in the body, it leads to the hypertonic. In case of 0.9 percentage of NaCl solution decreases in the body, it leads to the hypertonicity. Is known as hypertonicity. So the hypertonicity and hypertonicity maintain the body level maintain the equilibrium conditions in the body. In case of decreasing of the NaCl concentration, we are using the hypertonic solutions. In case of increasing of the NaCl solution in the body, we are using the hypertonic solutions. The hypotonic and hypertonic solutions. So the hypotonic solutions means what is the normal range of isotonic solutions? The normal range of the isotonic solutions is it maintain the 308, exactly 308 MOSM per liter. MOSM per liter means 1 by 1000 ml. 1 by 1000 ml is the isotonicity. This is the normal value. Increasing the 308 level is known as hypertonic. Decreasing the 308 level in the body is known as a hypotonic solution. The hypotonic solution is maintain the hypotonic and hypertonic solution maintain the equilibrium in the body. The hypotonic means which conditions at the 135 to 145 MEQ per deciliter or 1 liter. So in case of increasing the value means is known as a hypertonic solution. It is the minimum 400 MEQ per liter. So what happened in the body in the hypertonic solution? What happened in the body at the moment of the hypotonic solution? So in case of hypotonic solutions, it leads to the heart diseases, CVS, cardiovascular system diseases. The next one, kidney diseases. The next one, decreasing the salt intake also. Salt intake. At that condition, it produces the hypotonicity in the body. So the next one, what is the symptoms? What is the symptoms of the hypotonicity? So it the headache, confusion. The next one, coma, and decreasing the BP level also in the body. This is about symptoms about hypotonic, and which type of diseases are produced in the body. CVS disorders, the next one, kidney disorders, and salt intake also it produces this type of disorders. The next one, hypertonic disorders. So the hypertonic disorders means increases the isotonicity in the body. Which type of symptoms are identified? And decreases the urine output. Urine output is decreases. The next one, muscle stitches in the body. The next one, brain dysfunction. So this is about hypertonic and hypotonic solutions. So if you have any doubts, tomorrow we will discuss later.